Welcome back to the channel. This week the Canopy is this close from being finished, dead set. I've got an induction cooktop and an inverter to go, and pretty much everything's done. But in the meantime, I'm just going to rearrange a few things. So the oven was on the other side above the fridge. I've got this new oven bracket from a company I found this week, which I'll show you when I unpack it, to go into the new kick-ass oven, which is going to go on this side. So all the kitchen's on one side. And then I've been to MW Toolbox. They've made a new suspended shelf which will go up on the other side of the driver's side of the canopy and use a bit of that dead space up there. It'll all make sense in a minute. I'm going to unbox these things and start putting everything together. So I found this the travel buddy, and I'm hoping kick-ass, from this company here called Parrot Camp Co. They're based like near Ipswich in Brizzy here. So I picked this up the other day. I saw it on their website, and it actually looks exactly what I'm after. That's a local Brizzy company. They make it everything local, so it's all Australian made. Comes with everything I need to put it up into the uni strap there. I'll put a link in the description below of where I got it from. Look at that. That looks pretty cool, hey? Nice. Feels good. So the other thing I picked up was the kick-ass oven. Now, I'm really hoping that this is the same footprint as the travel buddy, because otherwise we'll make here won't fit. Comes with a nice long cable, which is good. So let me grab this out. So this is the new oven. These little fellas will fit. And they do. So I've already measured this in the canopy, so I'm going to be using the very back one and the second to the front. I'll just double check that for my run. I'm going to use the very front one and the second to the back. It's all nicely stainless steel staff. I'm just going to go and do a test fit with this and make sure that this door is going to open where I want it to be. I want this to be up in here. That back one. The door's not going to open. Needs to go back further. So I'll put it back on this bracket then. Take two. Let's see how this will go this time. So I'm going to have that up there, I think. I wonder if we have to go back to that back bracket. Surely not. Third time lucky. Let's see how we go this time. So that's up there. Yes. I feel like climbing to the canopy coming on, which isn't going to be pretty for you, well, more you than me. I might have to put the bracket up first and then struggle to put the, yeah, I'm going to try that. So I've learned from the first side. Let's go into that one. Put that on. Let's get it attached. This side on. Let's get it to catch. Right, I'll go and get the oven and we'll start putting it in. Under the chances. in. Quick and easy Friday night, Canopy nearly finished. We have a travel buddy oven with our good mates, the Parrot Camp Co bracket, which is really nicely built, by the way. And then around this side, we've got the MW Canopy, MW Toolbox shelf. So this is going to be really cool for, well, for a start, my air stuff can go up in there. But that'll be good for camp chairs and just lighter bits and pieces up there, and still leave me a lot of area here for cargo, for luggage and whatever else I need to put in. Really happy with that. So that's good stuff up out of the roof. Okay, that is all I'm doing tonight. That is the end of this episode. We've got one more thing to do in the Canopy, and that is the induction. Actually, there's two. I've got to put a TB bracket on for the hot water service, but I'll do that whenever. And then the Canopy's done. So please do subscribe, because it really does help us out, and we'll see you in the next one.